Good morning! It's Coco, the little dino! Coco loves to play all day. Whee! Whee! Ooh, what is that shiny egg? Knock, knock. Is anyone in there? Wiggle, wiggle! The egg is moving! Pop! Pop! Look at all the rainbow light! Surprise! A little rainbow friend! Hello, little friend. I'm Coco. I'm Coco. Now we are best friends! Whoa! Magic rainbow bubbles! Boing, boing! Boing, boing! Bubbles everywhere! Look! Everyone can see the bubbles! Aw, the bunny has no bubble. But I want all the bubbles. Sparkle looks sad. What should I do? I know! Sharing is more fun! Here you go, Bunny. This is for you. Yay! Share the shine, everyone. More friends! Come and play too! Yay! So many bubbles for everyone! Woohoo! Woohoo! Uh-oh! The bubbles are flying away! Come on! Let's catch them together! Woo! We did it! Teamwork is the best! Wow! A giant rainbow slide! Whee! Down the rainbow we go! What a fun day with all my friends. Sparkle is sleepy. Time to rest. Sleep well, Sparkle. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Today was so much fun. Remember, always share the shine. Bye-bye.